When you're looking for cleaning hacks, you've probably seen this little guy everywhere, the nano sponge. Videos always show it wiping away tough stains with just a touch. So, what's the secret behind its magic? Today, let's uncover how nano sponges actually work. First off, let's clear up a common misconception. Nano sponges aren't actually made of nanomaterials. Their real name is melamine foam. The nano part comes from the incredibly tiny pores inside them. These pores are so small, they're measured in microns or even nanometers. Think of them like countless microtunnels. That's why they're called nano sponges. And these microtunnels are the key to their cleaning power. Imagine these pores as tiny vacuum cleaners. When the sponge touches a stain, these pores actively grab the dirt particles, pulling them into their little tunnels. This is how it cleans. And the pores have a really strong grip, so once they catch the dirt, it doesn't easily let go. Besides this grabbing action, nano sponges also use physical friction to remove stains. While they feel soft, their surface isn't perfectly smooth. As you rub, the nano sponge creates friction with the stain, like using a superfine sandpaper. This helps lift away stubborn marks. But don't worry, this friction is very gentle and won't scratch surfaces and can be used with confidence. So, when you use a nano sponge to tackle tough stains, it's a combination of its absorption power and gentle friction working together. That's how it efficiently removes so many stubborn marks. After use, just rinse it with clean water, all the dirt washes away. Pretty neat, right? This little nano sponge works using some clever physics. Next time you face a tough stain, give a nano sponge a try and experience the amazing power of physical absorption for yourself.